A P0653 code can feel like you are chasing a ghost in the machine, but it is actually a very specific electrical problem. This code translates to sensor reference voltage B circuit high. To understand this, you need to know how your car sensors work. Your car's computer, the PCM, sends out a steady 5-volt signal to power various sensors, like those in your transmission or transfer case. This is called the reference voltage. When the computer sees that this voltage is higher than it should be on the B circuit, it triggers this code. It basically means there is too much juice flowing where it should not be. Since this circuit often powers transmission and drivetrain sensors, your symptoms will likely reflect that. You might experience a transmission that refuses to shift, a speedometer that goes haywire, or if you drive a truck, your four-wheel drive might not engage. In some cases, the car goes into a limp mode to protect itself. The causes are usually narrowed down to 3 things. A short to voltage in the wiring harness, a bad sensor that is internally shorted, or, in rare cases, a bad PCM. To diagnose this, you will need a digital volt-ohm meter and a bit of patience. You need to find out which sensors are on the B circuit for your specific vehicle. A repair database like AllData DIY is essential here. Once you identify the sensors, unplug them one by one while monitoring the voltage. If you unplug a specific sensor and the voltage drops back to normal, you have found the culprit. If the voltage stays high with everything unplugged, you are likely looking for a short in the wiring harness where a power wire is rubbing against the reference wire. This is a technical diagnosis, so if you are not comfortable reading wiring diagrams and using a multimeter, this is the time to call a professional. Electrical issues do not fix themselves, and letting high voltage run through sensitive computer circuits can lead to much more expensive failures down the road.